Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. In this video, I'll discuss how to navigate through my YouTube channel and how do you navigate through my website. So first we'll type competition mentor on Google. So I'm posting this because I cannot continue my original website name, which was the domain which was in the paid form, and I could not like just bill you guys and create my content in a paid way. So just to keep it open, I want to discuss how do you get the same content and how to navigate through it while you're preparing for SSC, CAT, and various other examination as discussed on my website. So as you can see, I have made a very nice blog on which you can see you can navigate through it and extract the content which you are looking for. For example, if you are preparing for SSC, then you will be looking for these reasoning questions, syllogisms, or algebra, or like TSD. So all you need to do is to use this menu. And for example, if you're looking for coding decoding, then you'll just click here and you will come to this site and you will encounter that there is great content already posted here. You can also navigate to the YouTube channel.
This is how fast YouTube is with Brave. Notice how there's no pre-roll ads? And here's
Hi guys, welcome to Mix Code. You can skip the ad and then you can see all these posts are already there in the YouTube. The basic easy way is to navigate through the website, but if you are not comfortable, you can just simply log into this and you can come to the video section and you can see there are already a lot of videos which you will not find in any of the coaching institute giving you for free, as the purpose of all these is just to educate you guys while helping you to prepare for all the competition examination which you are going through. This can be a very handy website for you to check the content and the codes and all the techniques which you're looking for. So if you're having any doubt, you can post in the same comment section of YouTube or even on the website. There is a comment section area, and trust me guys, if you spend the time in this website, there could be some areas where the videos volume are not so great, but you can again request me and I'll make a new video because of the new tools and new softwares available to me right now which I was not aware of during my content creation time. And you can see this is the home page and you can find all the questions solved very easily if you're not understanding any part in which there are sometimes I try to write it down, and then you can request me and just I'll be uploading the videos. So thank you guys, just keep commenting, hit the like button, because the maximum you reach to other people while helping, you just need to give some time to it to understand how the website works. If you I can certainly guarantee you the website contents are really beautiful. It is not at all paid. Everything is there from the scratch. All the concepts, tricks and tips with the concepts are mentioned. If you're lagging anywhere where you think that the contents are not audible or the contents are not explained properly, where you need to understand the nuances of the techniques, then also you can let me know, because I have posted it a long time back. But as you know, the pattern of any examination or questions doesn't change, and as you are well aware that these topics are variously asked in all these different examinations. So either you're preparing for bank PO or you're preparing for CAT, there is everything mentioned here. So and there are even verbal ability notes if you want to understand the voice notes, or like the copy notes where you want me to teach anything. I'm always there and happy preparing. You can just like the Facebook pages, though I am not very active on Facebook or YouTube or any Twitter, but yes, I do read the comments oftenly. So thank you again. and make sure you like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.